Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be playing some more 12. I know I haven't recorded a video in a long time. It's just stuff. So you probably seen the first video, I never made a video on this, how to get flux fast. Well, today we're gonna be doing just that. We're gonna show you how to get flux in 12 really quickly. So you're gonna need to be powering 5,000. It's really easy to get the powering 5,000. I mean, yeah. Well, just get a power 5,000. You can literally go just the easiest one. Geode. First one, Uber 8, I think. And just go there. Basically, it takes me a while to find. It might take me a while to find one of these, like blue caves, kind of. We'll go into the ground. It might take me a while to find one, but I will find one eventually. And basically, there's these purple blocks. So we can find them real quick. Hold up.
Damn.
Hold on, let me find one real quick, guys. I'm looking. This guy will go this way. Hold on. I think there's one right there. No, that's not one. There's definitely one. No. There one is. So you guys see the purple looking blocks? You see? Purplish, those are what you need to be getting. Those are called nitroglycerin, and you can sell those. People will buy them like really easy because basically, I guess people really need this stuff because you can get them to get all sorts of crystal gear and stuff like that. So it's really nice to get that stuff. And so, I'm trying to think what to say. Sorry, the lag is really bad. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and find those blue caves, and I'll add some music in the background so this isn't super boring, and I'll probably speed it up a little bit. This video isn't gonna be that long. I'm just showing you guys how to get flux. It's really simple, really easy. You just gotta be powering 5,000, and all you need is nitroglycerin, which if you're not there yet, it's fine. So. Guess I'll see you guys in the video. See ya.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright guys, we actually read it in there, so I'll see you guys later. And wait for it, 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 wait for it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely